The Justice Department resumes its probe into the missing Sabongeros case. Damning evidence was reportedly turned over by the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG. Our Joash Malimban joins us for the latest. Joash, go ahead.
The preliminary investigation into the case of the missing Sabongeros continues today. Families of the victims have arrived at the hearing, bringing with them, or at least together with them, are supplemental evidence turned over by the PNP. The CIDG has submitted a USB drive which allegedly contains damning evidence against the respondents. As of press time, none of the respondents have arrived to file their counter affidavits. They've until the last hearing date on October 13 to do so. We'll keep you updated on whether any of the respondents submit their counter affidavits today.
Josh, I think it was about 2 weeks ago that one of the suspects, actress Gretchen Barreto, submitted her counter affidavit, and that's her first public appearance since her name was dragged by whistleblower Julie Patidongan. But we have yet to hear from the primary suspect, billionaire Charlie Atong Ang. What are you hearing on this?
Yes, actually on September 18, sinabi ni Attorney Gabriel Villarreal, yung legal counsel ni Mr. Atong Ang, na mag-a-appear physically itong si Mr. Atong Ang pag nag-file na sila ng kanilang counter affidavit. Ang hinihintay na lang nila ay yung evidence na sinabit nga ngayong araw dito sa DOJ, which is yung USB, dahil kulang daw ito noong first preliminary investigation noong September 18. So sabi ni Attorney Villarreal, by October 13, magpapasa na sila ng kanilang counter affidavit. So ina-expect natin na by that date, mag-a-appear din physically si Mr. Atong Ang.
Joash, there's growing sentiment ang nababasa ko sa mga feed, ang mga netizens sinasabi, sana wag kalimutan itong kasong ito. What are you hearing from the families there, the families of the victims? What are they saying?
Yes, the same sentiment from the families of the missing Sabongeros victims because as you've said, several issues pumapatong-patong na rin siya as time goes by, and medyo nade-delay itong pagkakaroon or yung proseso ng investigation. Pero paninigurado naman ng DOJ, they are ensuring due process and that they are investigating thoroughly itong kaso ng missing Sabongeros. And by October 13, gaya nung sabi natin kanina, that will be the third and last setting for the hearing on the preliminary investigation. After that, magpo-proceed na if ever mag-i-issue ng warrant of arrest doon sa mga respondents.
All right, Joash Malimban, thank you for that report from the DOJ.